My name is Shamar and I'm a right Symes amputee, meaning I had my right foot cut off. 13 years ago, while doing high jump, I broke my leg, and due to medical negligence, I had my foot amputated January of this year. Nevertheless, having one foot did not stop me from being my own boss or being an entrepreneur. Me and my girlfriend started a vending machine business 1 year now, and today I'm going to take you guys along just to stock up a few machines and see what a typical week is in the Symes amputee. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share if you enjoy this content. You know, so this man I look for me out there like if I ever one thing is me stay one time. $113 for everything right here. Machine number 1. Alright, let's get this stock. Just wash my ear, both go to the barber. I'm running late. I'm for reach the barber at 12:30 and at 12:12 now. And the barber is like 20 minutes away. So when I go to the barber, I go freshen up so I can look like somebody child. It's been 3 weeks since I last cut my hair and 2 weeks since I've been walking with a prosthetic. So when my barber saw me, he was a bit surprised. Naturally, I was expecting questions, so I took the time out to just show him how it worked and basically what type of leg this was. Yeah, we're going to the gym this morning because I have time for this haircut because the belly is too big. This is not cute. My girl don't like this, me don't like it. We need to do better. My foot is so squeaky, man. Every night I hear that thing. Screw. I'm in the gym. The gym is empty. There's no other feeling that beats an empty gym. Alright guys, we're done in the gym. Workout was good. Just I'm looking fit for the day. I don't know if I can see it properly. Something simple until you know the shoes not change until we get the right foot. Don't mind a lot of things you want to see in the back. Like all them things you want to see in the back are for the vending machine. They're not junk, like you see the bunch of snacks, the drinks there, and the chips and all of that. Yeah, that's for the vending machine. So I'm on my way to location number 1. I'm about to stock that. Like sometimes I really and truly can't bother with the vending machine. Like it's a hassle. Like doing it so long with crutches did hard. I know it's gonna be easier now walking, but sometimes I just can't bother, I'll be honest. Just really can't bother. Well empty. That's good. Empty machine means money.
That's the requirement now?
Huh?
That's your requirement?
No, I have a YouTube channel. Yeah, so I make YouTube about my life because I lost my leg.
Really?
Yeah.
The whole, how from here?
No, from the foot.
Oh my god, what happened? Like your accident?
I was an athlete and I broke it doing high jump, and then they tried to fix it. Things got complicated and couldn't work, so my only option was to take it off in order to walk again. Alright guys. should always. Hello, kid.
How are you doing today?
Not too bad.
Good to hear. So Jordan's just finishing up with the paper right now. So over there, Symes clean up, you know?
No problem. For some reason my mic wasn't recording. I don't know why. But yeah, I'm at my prosthesis to pick up my right foot and grab some socks. And just some small issues I'm having with the leg so far.
Do you find that you're building strength in that quad now?
Even my knee is where I feel the most pain.
Oh, okay.
Like here, I mentioned it to Ellen, and she's like, knees weak, like it's gonna hurt, so just gotta continue getting stronger.
And it's mostly the outside of your knee?
Behind.
Oh, behind. And that's probably a lot of that is stretching too. Because you've been flexed for a while.
I think it is.
Yeah. You took those straps off, so this might not necessarily be the right, like you might have to adjust both sides until you find kind of that comfortable balance. You find for now the Velcro is holding okay?
Yeah, I think like after physio, that's when it starts to get loose, so like after an hour. Oh yeah, it's
snug?
It's snug.
Okay.
Feels good.
Yeah, looks good.
So these are the socks. We got a bunch of them. I now got the right foot. Right foot. Yeah, it's way better. So now that I got the foot, I can finally start looking for different shoes. It's about time because winter is coming. I'll see you guys in the next video. I got the foot. Can't go shoe shopping there now. Yeah, it look weird, man. I lie. Step out in me, black and